RPM, or Radical PitViper Motors. What the hell is it? We're gonna break some stuff, we're gonna build some stuff, we're gonna do some stunts, and we're gonna fucking party. Check it out. Hey, how you doing?
You got some God's water.
Yeah, you guys are doing the Lord's work. I'm just drinking his water. So we're out here doing a pit bike triple crown. So Kevin Windham's, we started at Farm 14. That track was completely insane. You know you've got a track from hell when the guy that has the world record for the longest motorcycle jump comes in on a pit bike and says, I'm in over my head.
You spit on it. On the track.
Hi, Jim. Doing peasant work because we killed another intern. He must have a foot made of eggshells. No offense, but also some offense. You landed on a foot peg. I landed completely off a mulch pile. How are you dead? And I'm doing your job now. And with a broken foot, the worst injury of the day, with like backflip that kind of worked. But we've got StankDog and Duffy both on the team, both crushing it for us. Stank winning at Farm 14. Today is a whole different monster. Today you gotta be fit. 20 minutes in this hair scramble from hell is just gonna be nuts, but gonna be some good crashes. Can't wait to watch and drink a beer about it.
Guy, huh?
Dude, big race guy. I like said words and I regret them every time. Scares me. Casing it, like it'll be a bad day, but it won't be that bad of a day.
Yeah, casing it hurts your ankle. Overclearing it, like,
shatters your ankle.
Shatters your ankle.
Yeah.
So don't do that.
Here we go.
I was talking to all the riders, and so far Becca has had the best answer. I said, what do you think of the track? And Becca said, well, I got poison ivy cutting all my cheater lines through the woods.
he may or may not have pulled over a shoey for a shoey. Can you confirm?
Yesterday, Josh Hall, he builds some epic three-wheelers. He put a 140 on a ATC 70. That thing was mint brand, so nice. And then there's this backflip ramp. Barely wide enough for a pit bike, but I drove a three-wheeler up it and it kind of worked. I said under my breath, that might work. Next thing you know, it was gonna sure as hell try. And try I did, do I did not.
Dude, you almost had it!
I hope I got the shot. Holy shit.
And it was just leaning way too far to the left, not because of a flat tire or even a bent fork, but a twisted frame. So while everybody builds really, really strong shit, I have found a way to break it. I just need to find a vehicle that can outlast me.
He's like, what? He's up plus side. Josh, will you come and check those things you asked me about? Because I have no idea.
If the gas is on, yeah.
Gas was not on.
The gas was not on.
The gas wasn't on?
No.
Cool. Oh, fuck. Oh! Alright, let's do it again. That was pretty close.
Suicide shift.
Oh, fuck! God damn.
Dude, that was the best thing I've ever seen! How did you land that?
If that was a land, I don't know, man. Let's get drink.
Just had to charge hard the whole time, started backwards. I wanted to stuff Joe Dirt, but I guess I was in front of him from the start, so. I was trying to give him a haircut. I was trying to give him a little buzz cut, but where was he?
Tried to do a love tap, didn't even need it.
Yow.
This is the whole track's just such a bad idea. Oh my! Oh! In true Nitro fashion, we may have killed the rider. I'm not trying to be a dickhead. Dude, wish I could get my leg out that far. I ain't even talking about the two I'm standing on. Dude, this. Oh my dear Lord! Bad ideas, and then they're just plain stupid. And here we are with my ladder. The Nitro Circus Triple Crown is down, along with about 3,000 beers, 6 riders, but hell of a good time. Till the next time, see you next Tuesday.